my goodness.
This is the monkey man from Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. That's from the Garifuna days, from the old days of slavery. This is how we used to play the mass, alright? So it's the old mass. And it's only from North Cleveland, alright? So this is the real monkey style.
Monkey man.